Top 20 Most Popular Types of Blogs in 2024. Blogs have evolved dramatically, becoming influential sources of information on almost any topic. Blogging can be a creative outlet, a teaching platform, and even a revenue stream. To be successful, choose a topic that deeply excites you. There are diverse types of blogs, from food to fashion. For example, food blogs range from restaurant reviews to sharing recipes, while travel blogs provide destination recommendations and local guides. Health and fitness blogs offer workout routines and diet guides, and lifestyle blogs cover daily interests. Fashion and beauty blogs are platforms for expressing personal style through trend updates and outfit inspirations. Photography blogs not only display stunning photos, but also generate interest in services, workshops, or art stores. Personal blogs, written in the first person, are based on real-life experiences and perspectives. DIY craft blogs are for creators who use materials like wood, metal, fabric, and sewing to make unique items. Parenting blogs provide advice and share experiences around parenting. Music blogs range from album reviews to concert experiences. Business blogs are tools for building credibility, while art and design blogs showcase artistic work and design inspiration. Book and writing blogs provide book recommendations and writing tips. Personal finance blogs offer guidance on saving money and investing, and interior design blogs provide home decor inspiration. Sports blogs cover everything from game analyses to player profiles. News blogs provide readers with the latest news, while movie blogs review films and discuss industry news. Religion blogs delve into religious topics, and political blogs provide commentary on political events.